CAPM certification training. Start your project management career. CAPM certification helps beginners build strong project management knowledge and start a successful professional career. About CAPM certification. CAPM, or Certified Associate in Project Management, is an entry-level certification from PMI designed for aspiring project management professionals. Key skills you learn: project management fundamentals, Agile and Predictive Methodologies, risk and stakeholder management. Learn with NYTCC. NYTCC provides flexible CAPM training with expert guidance, practical learning, and complete exam preparation support. Why choose NYTCC? Expert instructors, flexible learning, practical project management training, career opportunities. CAPM certification helps you qualify for entry-level project management roles across different industries. Career roles: project coordinator, project analyst, junior project manager. Start your CAPM journey today. Build your future in project management with professional CAPM certification training from NYTCC. Visit the website to learn more and get started today. nytcc.net.